So it's definitely important to pay attention to what your skin needs and what it loves. The product of choice for me right now is La Mer. I've been using La Mer under my eyes. This is the second box. Two of them are sitting in the refrigerator. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you, I keep my La Mer stuff in the refrigerator. If you guys can see that, this is the eye cream. And also in here because it just works really well on the skin by keeping it nice and cold. But because I love skincare so much, it's really important for me to have my products on hand. And another really great product is the La Mer moisturizing cream. This is a thicker consistency. I have it on my skin, but just to show you guys what you want to do with this is you want to grab out a little bit. You want to warm this up in the fingers before going onto the face because this goes on more like a sunscreen. So it's really important for you to really get this melted in between your fingers before going onto the skin, because skin regeneration and healing is optimal at night. Skin will definitely let you know what it needs. And if it's acne that you have that's an issue, then definitely ask yourself, what was I eating? What was I drinking? What was I doing as to why I'm breaking out, or was I stressed? Really pay attention to your body.